Hello dear students, let's discuss important entrance examination concepts from the chapter of haloalkanes, haloarenes, the first lesson of class 12 organic chemistry. Now this is an application based question. Let us see what the question is and what the answer would be. The question is, the order of reactivity of the following alcohols with halogen acid is. Halogen acid, HCl, HBr or HI, we are talking with respect to this. What will be the order of the reaction of these different alcohols given to us with halogen acid? So we are having these three alcohols and these are our options. Now let us look into these alcohols first. So let's try to name this and recognize what type of alcohol are they before we can come into this answering part. So here we are having 3 carbon atoms saturated and OH is attached to this carbon. So therefore first carbon atom, so this is called propanol. Propanol or propyl alcohol. Propanol, IUPAC name, propyl alcohol is N-propyl alcohol is its trivial nomenclature. Now what type of alcohol is this? As you can see, the OH is attached to the primary carbon atom. Therefore it is a primary alcohol. Now next, let's name this compound. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this carbon is having the lowest locant as to if we go from down to the left side. If we come from our left to the down side, this carbon will get the number as 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So better is giving the lowest locant as 2. Then what is the name of this compound? 4 carbon atoms saturated and there is OH in the second carbon atom. So the name of this compound will be 1, 2, 3, 4, so 2-butanol, or one more name that we can give is 2-hydroxybutane. 2-butanol or butane, 2-ol or 2-hydroxybutane, all of them are correct IUPAC name. Now what type of alcohol is this? This is a secondary alcohol because OH is attached to a secondary carbon. What's a secondary carbon? Let's quickly recollect that. Carbon which is in turn connection with 2 other carbon atom is a secondary carbon. You can see here this carbon to which OH is linked is in connection with 2 other carbon atoms. So therefore it is a secondary alcohol. Now let's name this compound as well. Let's give the locant. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. For the second carbon atom there is OH and for the second carbon atom there is CH3. So what are the names that we can give, and otherwise it's a 4 carbon atom which is saturated. The name of this compound will be 2-methyl propan 2-ol. So it is, sorry, not propane, it's butane because 4 carbon atoms saturated. So butan 2-ol. So 2-methyl butan 2-ol, or else you can also write it as 2-hydroxy 2-methyl butane. So what type of alcohol is this? Let us recognize this. So this carbon atom to which OH is linked is in connection with 1, 2, 3 other carbon atoms. So therefore it's a tertiary alcohol. It is a tertiary alcohol. So now this concept is coming from the haloalkanes method of preparation. What is that method of preparation telling us? Tertiary alcohols are greatly reactive than secondary alcohols, are greatly reactive than primary alcohols with a given halogen acid. So this is purely based on this particular point. So now let us see which one of this will follow this particular order. Is it option A or the first option? Option 1 is having the choice A greater than B greater than C. Is it primary greater than secondary, greater than tertiary? No, it's the other way. Now let us see whether it is this. Is it tertiary greater than secondary, greater than primary? Yes. Here we are having the option which will suit as per this. Tertiary alcohol is in C. Tertiary alcohol is in C, and secondary alcohol is in B. So tertiary greatly reactive than secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol is greatly reactive than primary alcohol, because primary alcohol is in A. So this will be the correct option that suits as per this. Now the remaining also let us see. Option 3 is having B, that is secondary greater than primary greater than tertiary. So this is not the case. Then is it primary greater than secondary, sorry, greater than tertiary and greater than secondary? No, even this is not the option. So the correct answer is option 2, which is purely based on the concept of the method of preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols, wherein tertiary alcohols are greatly reactive than secondary alcohols, greatly reactive than primary alcohol with a given halogen acid.